Hi everyone, today let us talk about how to keep spider mites away from our orchids. Spider mites are very annoying pests. They can travel with the winds. When the orchids are kept in an open space, they will keep coming and visiting the orchids. We can see that the lower leaves of this orchid have the damages caused by spider mites. It's a long-term war against spider mites. Even though we have killed one generation of spider mites, the next generation will hatch and grow very quickly, and another batch of spider mites will also spread with the wind again. There are many ways to prevent attacks from spider mites. Using pesticides is the fast method to kill them. However, the chemicals are also harmful to animals and humans. And the new generation of spider mites may have resistance to the same chemicals. So we have to change different pesticide once a while. Therefore, using pesticides is not recommended for we home growers. Here is the powder of food-grade diatomaceous earth. Please note that food-grade diatomaceous earth has totally different properties from filter-grade diatomaceous earth. Only food-grade diatomaceous earth is used in agriculture to prevent damages of pests. Food-grade diatomaceous earth is very tiny and fine powder that is harmless to our skins. But when we inhale the powder into our lungs, it is difficult to exhale it or excrete it out. So, we have to wear a protection gear. A face mask made of cloths is more than enough. Some people directly sprinkle dry diatomaceous earth on their plants. That may cause the diatomaceous earth traveling in the air and increase the risks to inhale it. Therefore, using water as the carrier is better to make the diatomaceous powder land down on the surfaces of plants quickly. When the water is gone, diatomaceous earth will attach to the plants, and won't travel in the air. Here is 1 liter of water. We just mix some diatomaceous earth in the water. Diatomaceous earth is not a chemical. There is no correct dosage, as long as we can make a thin layer of diatomaceous earth on the surfaces of orchids. Shake the bottle well to mix the diatomaceous earth evenly. Turn the nozzle head to the finest spray. The finest sprays can make the diatomaceous earth scattered on the plants evenly. Spray the mixed water on the front side and the back side of leaves. Some people like to add some fertilizers in the mix water as well, so they can do the foliar feeding at the same time. There is an additional advantage of using diatomaceous earth. Diatomaceous earth will slowly release the micronutrient, silicon. Diatomaceous earth does not work for pests when it is wet. So it is better to choose a sunny day or windy day to apply diatomaceous earth on the orchids, so that the water can evaporate quickly. When the water is gone, the diatomaceous earth leaves the white spots like this. Due to the particle of food-grade diatomaceous earth has sharp edges to pests that have soft outer skins. When the pests crawl over the diatomaceous earth, the sharp edges make open cuts on their skins. Then the pests will dehydrate and die slowly. Therefore, diatomaceous earth is not a cure, it is one of preventive measures. If you enjoy this video, please give it a like, share it, subscribe to the channel, and leave your comment below. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.